Hello dear, welcome on the channel. Today video about how to print large data in Excel. Friends, when we try to print large data in Excel, it does not fit on the page. Here you can see that half of our data is showing, but when we look back, we have a lot of data left behind. In this video, I will tell you how to fit all this data on one page and print it. For this, click on Name Cell and press and hold Ctrl+Shift and then press right arrow and then press down arrow to select Data Only Required to Print. Go to File in Ribbon tabs and click on Print and change Portrait Orientation to Landscape Orientation. And click this Page Setup. Here you can see under Scaling. And check this Adjust to and check Fit to. Remain this one as it is. And remove the other one and click OK. Now you can see that all our data is ready to print. Let me tell you another tip here. If you want this heading to remain at the top of all pages, for this, go to Page Layout and click on Print Title. And click on this arrow that is front of rows to repeat at top box. Click on this arrow and then select Heading Line. After selecting, click on this down arrow and click OK. All are done. So this was today's video. Like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.